Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needle. This day I am here with first pattern of number one pattern of Snowflake. I have worked this with light grey, Aran, Antipillion. Let us go into the video without much delay, friends. Chain 6, slip stitch to the first chain and form a ring. Chain 1 and place single crochet, the first single crochet, and stitch mark it. Chain 2 single crochet 5 more times. Complete 5 more times, I shall get back. All in the ring. I have completed the 6 required single crochets in the ring separated by 2 chains, and the last I am not going to make 2 chains, instead chain 1 and a single crochet on the very first single crochet that we did, so that I get the chain to the center of the 2 chains I want to place. And here make a double crochet. So I am going to work only half the stitches for this particular chain 2 space. Come back and finish the other half. So one double crochet, another double crochet, one half double crochet, and 2 single crochets. The other half I will come when I complete the round I shall finish. And in the next chain 2 space, place 2 single crochets, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, and 2 single crochets. This is the stitch repeats for every chain 2 space. Make these many stitches in each of the remaining chain 2 spaces. I shall get back when I come to the last chain 2 space here. I have placed the stitches in the last chain 2, but the first chain 2 we have to complete the stitches with 2 singles, 1 half double, and a double. 2 singles, 1 half double, and a double crochet. Oh God. Now slip stitch to the first double crochet that we made. We started with 2 double crochets, 1 half double, and 2 singles. So in this stitch you can slip stitch and join, or join to the third chain of the 3 chains if you have done 3 chains. Excuse me. This stitch will be little tight for me. Yeah. Now in this DC we have to place 5 DCs to begin with, but I am going to place 3, come back and finish off with the last 2. So pull up either chain 3 and begin, or pull up the loop, make a standing DC to begin with as the first one, and your V is here. Place a stitch marker so that you don't get lost when you come back. 2 more double crochets, all in the same double, the middle double. Chain 3, 5 double crochets in the middle double crochet of the 3 doubles, that is in the middle of the next group of stitches. So place 5 double crochets. So 5 double crochets in the middle DC, chain 3, 5 double crochets in the middle DC. Continue the stitch, repeat all around. I shall meet you when I complete the last one. I have placed my last 5 double crochets on the top of the double crochet here. We have to complete this first set. So to complete, we need to place 2 more double crochets. Let me place 1 and 2. Now slip stitch to the very first double we did, or the third chain of chain 3. This is where we are going to begin our next round. Chain 1. This does not count as a stitch. A single crochet in the same place, same stitch. Chain 7. Single crochet again in the same stitch. Now chain 8. Single crochet, skip 4 DCs, 1 2 3 4, and in the middle DC here 1 single crochet, chain 7 single crochet in the same place. And single crochet in the same. So continue the stitch pattern for the rest of the round. I shall meet you at the end of the round. We have come to the end of the round here. Now we have to slip stitch to the first single crochet. Now we have to bring our yarn to the center of this chain 7. After slip stitching and joining, I slip stitch to the 4th chain of the chain 7 loop. At this point in the 4th chain, we have to make 1 single crochet, chain 7, 1 single crochet, chain 10, and go over to the 4th chain of the next 7 chain group and make 1 single crochet, chain 7, 1 single crochet. That is the stitch pattern. So to make the single crochet, first place chain 1. This does not count as a stitch. Single crochet, chain 7, single crochet in the same chain space, same chain. Now chain 10. Go over to the same chain, say 7th chain. So 1 2 3, in the 4th chain place your single crochet, chain 7 single crochet, and single crochet there. So repeat the stitch pattern on the other chain 7s. I shall complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here. I have chain 10, slip stitch to the first single crochet that we did here, slip stitch to the 4th chain, chain here, work 1 chain 1 and work a single crochet in the 4th chain, chain 6, slip stitch, chain 6, slip stitch 2 more times, slip stitch, chain 6, all in the same chain here. So we've done slip stitch, chain 6 twice, and now place a single crochet here, and to go over to the fourth chain of the next 7 chain, chain 12. And in the fourth chain, 1 single crochet, chain 6, slip stitch 2 times, chain 6, slip stitch, and next finally chain 6 and a single crochet. So repeat this stitch pattern on the other chain 7 spaces too. I shall get back to you when I come to the last space. We've come to the end of the round here. I have chain 12, slip stitch to the first single crochet here and bind off and fasten off. That's it. So here we have the snowflake pattern 1. Hope you like this pattern, friends, and enjoyed this video. We request you to subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Further, do like and share our videos so that it reaches the maximum number of people around the world. Thank you once again, friends. Have a great day. Bye for now.